the fact that we have a vibrant community of young professionals who are interested in our work and who are deeply invested in donating their services, their time, and also funding to our work really inspires us with the belief that these services that we provide will be able to continue.
Boards like the Emerging Leaders Board allow our senior managers and managers to get that experience and get that practice earlier in their careers. They spend their days helping to make change, helping to design solutions, and being part of the Emerging Leaders Board allows them to also use those same skills, but in a different way and in a way that perhaps has more direct impact on the community.
So the board has 3 overarching goals that we try and work towards. So one is education, so spreading awareness of BHCHP and its mission. 2, service, so allowing board members to give back in different service opportunities like bingo with the patients. And then 3 is fundraising, so providing opportunities for board members to either provide donations to BHCHP directly or work with family and friends and professional contacts to do the same.
You're really able to get yourself involved in so many different aspects. There's also leadership opportunities. I did serve as the co-chair for 2 years consecutively, and that was a really great opportunity and something that I hold really near and dear to my heart.
We've really tried to do in-person working with the patients directly. We've done monthly meetups at the Stacey Kirkpatrick House, which has been great. It allows us to meet up and be in person with them one-on-one. We've served ice cream, played cornhole. In April or May, we built gardens, and they were able to maintain them and really enjoyed them. So it was a really rewarding experience to see.
I wholeheartedly believe that people experiencing homelessness are the most misunderstood group, stigmatized group, and I really wanted to do anything that I could to kind of raise awareness of the issue.
Something else that drove me to stay involved within BHCHP was honestly encouragement from patients. When I first applied to the Emerging Leaders Board, I had mentioned it to one of the patients, and they asked, "Who did you apply to?" I'll tell them that they need to let you in. And so it was just really great to hear that my work is appreciated.
It's just amazing being around people who share the same passion for kind of social justice and making the world a better place, but all of us go about doing it in a different way and have a different skill set, a different day job. I believe that kind of DE&I equity work in particular should be at the forefront of the ELB because so many of the patients we serve and the population that we serve are dealing with these issues in real life. So to them, it's not a learning of these concepts and a 1-hour call. This has been their lived experience.
As a member of the Emerging Leaders Board, when we're more knowledgeable about circumstances that patients face, we're able to connect with them better and therefore be more effective as a board.
Why this place, why does it matter to me, is that the people that are being cared for here don't really have anywhere else to go. This could be their last chance of getting help and getting care. It's easy to forget the folks that you see on the street outside. It's easy to forget what goes on in the 4 walls here because they're not part of most of our everyday. Most of us go off and we live in a nice home somewhere and in a safe community and don't have to deal with the challenges and issues that the homeless do.
Being a part of this program, I didn't realize how many people also wanted to help in some way, whether big or small, and I think that was what was really important, especially being on the board, was just reaching within inside my own network and my network's network to really try to expand and create awareness of the program and the ELB.
So being a part of the board has been a really eye-opening and really rewarding experience. I've learned a lot and really appreciate all the work that everyone here does. And I think we all do. And I think if you're interested in a really valuable, life-changing, volunteering experience, this would be the one for you.
It gives attention, it shines a light on who these people are and that they matter and that actually they can be helped and they can often get on their feet and do better in the community. It's a really powerful thing that goes on here that's hard to describe, unless you come here and see it for yourself.